Today, ang first day na wala si Daddy.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
What's up, mga Zoobs? So yes, you heard it right. I'm back in Adelaide, Australia. So it's nice to be back. It's a little bit lonely, to be honest. I do miss the kids, I miss the girls. But me and King are here, and I have already done a few things today. Even though I've only had 3 hours sleep, as you can see, I'm still a mess. No shave, no sleep. But yeah, I got 3 hours nap, so that was good enough. But I had to go to Aaliyah's school, and I took a little bit of a walk around the area, and it was just so nice to walk around once again. Today is perfect. So the weather right now is 18 degrees with a very, very slight breeze, but wow, it was so nice. It was so fresh. It was nice to walk around. It's very quiet. And I was taking some photos and sending it to Diana, and she was like, wow, I miss it. But yeah, it's nice to be home, and I got to get a few things done right now. I'm going to go meet my mum at Marion, and I'm going to have a real coffee. I really struggled to find good coffee while we were away. I guess the coffee here in Australia is quite a lot stronger, and that's what I became used to. I noticed in the Philippines I ended up drinking like 5 coffees a day, just because it wasn't as strong, and Australian coffee is like really, really strong. So that's what I want to get right now. And then I'm going to pull past Mimi's favorite chocolate place, because she wants some chocolates, so I can have that and bring that back. And yeah, then I need to take King shopping. I need to buy him food, need to set up his place, and yeah, we got a lot to do actually, and I haven't got much time to do it, so let's go get it done.
Good morning, mga Zoo! Yeah, today, ang first day na wala si Daddy. Kaya, hawak mo na eh. Nag-breakfast na yung mga bata. Ako kasi, di ba, fasting ako. So, 12 o'clock na. Late ako nagising dahil late na tulog. Dahil kung napanood yung vlog kahapon, medyo madami tayong ginawa. So, ito, isi-set up ko. Pakita ko sa inyo yung food namin for today. So, nag-order lang ako dahil hindi kami makakababa at hindi kami makaka-order sa Grab. Kaya ito, pakita ko sa inyo. Siyempre, meron tayong egg, meron tayong bread, and the sinigang, yung soup nandito daw nilagay. Tapos, ang ating chicken adobo with rice. Yan, sa amin na yun ni Mami, tapos sa mga bata, hati-hati na kami. Tapos si Mimi, inuna yung dessert. Uy, puno yung bibig. Please, please, please. Mimi showered with Mami Eileen, no? Yeah? Good girl. Good girl ikaw nung shinower? Tama na, puno pa yung bibig. Babe, one at a time. O, Lele, ito ha. Magre-ready ako ng food niyo. Yeah, ire-ready ko, babe, para ano. Ire-ready ko yung plate niya. Okay, we're going to eat na.
Yay, we're eating.
Halari ka ako na lang ako.
Tingnan ako doon ka. Doon na lang ako sa tabi niya. Para.
Ang galing naman ni Mimi. Good girl. So mga Zoobs, kain na tayo. Saan kayo punta? Mimi, saan kayo punta? Why? Why? Okay. Bye. Galing ni Mimi, oh. Okay, I will not take a picture. Sorry. Later, pagbalik mo. So, si Mimi, shinower ng mami ko kanina. Tapos ngayon naman, nagpapahugas siya ng puwet. Kasi nagpupo siya. Oh, ang galing ni Mimi. Sobra niya ng love si Mami Eileen. Di ba, Lele? Parang ikaw dati. Huy! Finish your food. Di pa tapos. Hey, hindi pa tapos. Strict tayo dito. Yan. Ako medyo tapos na. Si Mimi sinusubuan ko ba, pero nagpupo nga. So, yun. Ang schedule namin today, nothing much. Baka dito lang sa around the area. Kung ano man ang maganap. magaganap. We'll see. We are going to Resorts World now. Kami ay bibili ng cheese roll sa Mary Grace. At ang mga bata, excited. Tignan mo, nagtakbo-takbo pa. Dapat si Mami Aileen lang tsaka si Aliyah. Nagpresenta si Mimi, sumama. Silang tatlo lang daw. Upgraded ka na, Mami Aileen. Sisama si Mimi without me. Napilitan tuloy ako sumama, walang ligo-ligo. Ano?
What number?
2, tama yan, 2. Galing. Saan tayo punta, Mims?
Saan tayo pupunta? Where are we going? We're going.
Wala kaming ligo ni Lele. Ano ba yan?
I don't know, sabi niya.
Ayan, punta kami ng Mary Grace, mga zoobs. Lakad-lakad din.
You're all I need. You're all. You're all. You're all I need. You're all. You're all. You're all I need. You're all I need. You're all. You're all. You're all I need. You're all. You're
Tapos na kami mag-swimming, mga zoobs, nabalawan na. Nakatulog si Mimi ng mga siguro 15 minutes. Ngayon naman kakain kami sa lounge. Dahil gusto na naman niyang lumabas. So sige, okay. Eto na kami. Ayun sila. Okay, did you press down? I didn't see it. Look, no one pressed it. Oh, let's go. Thank you, Mimi. Can you press it there and then put this pipe? Oh, sus naman, sus naman. Ayan, nakaligo na tayo. Ganda naman itong dress na to.
Alright guys, just finished up shopping in Marion, so I did buy a few things, but not a lot because I'm taking back mostly chocolate, as you can see. I don't know if I showed this earlier, but a bunch of chocolate here, mostly for Eruption, because he loves caramel. So yeah, gonna head out to a friend's house now and hoping they have a little bit of food because I'm a little bit peckish, a little bit hungry. And that little burger that I had earlier, although it was really good, it wasn't enough. So yeah, gonna head out now. Tired, but I've got to do some stuff later, so let's catch up with some friends first.
Hi! Ayun, that's the first day na wala si Andy. And I know naman, Mimi can, you know, survive kasi syempre, sabi ko nga po, si Mimi palagi na kay daddy niya, especially ngayon na ako ay nagtatrabaho na. And sandali lang naman, hindi naman siya mawawala ng matagal. Inayos niya lang yung mga dapat ayusin sa school ni Aliyah, sa school ni King, and babalik din siya agad. So, daddy, mag-ingat ka dyan, and sana makabalik ka agad soon. So, thank you po sa lahat ng mga nanood ng vlog, and sa lahat ng nag-comment din sa inyo, sa inyo, salamat pa rin syempre sa ating mga sponsors na nagsusupport sa atin. Mga zoobs, end ko na ang vlog for today and thank you so much!